Have you ever had someone request a custom card idea and you just had to say yes? It's exactly what happened with today's project, and I cannot wait to share it to you because it is so fun. Hey friends, I'm Jessica from ArtistryinCards and Jessica Lynn Original, where I draw all of my own stamp designs. On this channel, I love bringing them to life with card making, coloring, and creative inspiration. So I'm happy that you're here while I'm creating, and I hope that you're creating with me today. So I had someone actually reach out and say, I love that you draw all of this art, but how about you create Punch the Monkey? And I was like, yeah, I can do that. So if you're not familiar with Punch the Monkey, he's the playful, cheeky, adorable little monkey who recently was not exactly loved by his current family, so his mom and others. And they gave him this adorable stuffed animal, and he's the one who's been wagging it around, carrying it, cuddling with it. Now recently, I just saw a video today that he is now starting to branch off and make a new family. So that's really exciting for him. And I love a good, happy zoo story. I think it's great to see that, everybody has taken such a love of this monkey. So be sure if you do love those kind of monkeys, go to their website. You can donate and other things as well. So, of course, I had to put the Jessica Lynn Original spin on it. So I have it where he's just sort of cuddling with them, and I thought it was so cute. So today I'm going to be using Copic markers. Obviously, you can use anything you might have at home, colored pencils, crayons, etc. For this guy, I'm going to go with some warm browns and then lighter tones in his face and belly. And then I think I tried to find the color that matched his little monkey because he was more of a brown shade, and the monkey stuffed animal was kind of a red orangish orangutan. So one of the things I love about creating cards is, keep them simple. They don't have to be crazy. I always feel like if the design like this is more detailed, then the rest of the card should be simplistic, right? Because this should be the star. I'm going to go ahead and add a sentiment when I'm done, but I'm going to do it very similar to the way that I did the chicken card, where it's going to literally be white paper, because I just think there's so much going on with all the detail that I added in this card. And, I think that's going to be the best way to go. Oh my goodness, they are looking so cute. I did have to come back with a white marker pen just to give it a little more contrast because I felt like it was oversaturated. And I didn't love the color I had for him, so I went looking in my marker box, and in a moment I'm going to use a darker marker to kind of go over everything, which should blend all of the shadows and highlights that I put into his body. So fingers crossed. While I'm finishing this up, what I do want to say though, I want to say thank you so much to the person who suggested this. It's fun. I'll get random emails saying, can you draw this or could you draw that? And I do actually have a listing now available that if you are looking for a picture of you and your spouse, your kids, your pet, I can make custom line art for you that I can turn right into a stamp. So that would be awesome for like weddings, birthday parties. Maybe you just adore your dog. I have a border collie. He's actually the image that you'll see on the main page. So if you're interested, please go take a look. You really inspired this idea. So because of the email I got, that's why this card in this video exists. So what I do want to say is that this community means so much to me, and your ideas help shape what we create together. Because it's about the journey, not the destination, right? So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more projects, please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, watch more of my videos to help my channel grow and help support my watch hours. Share this with a crafty friend. We're really building something special here at ArtistryinCards, and your support really means everything. So I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating, keep smiling, and keep making something amazing. Take care, everybody. See you soon. Bye-bye.